morning, everybody, and welcome back. So today we're going to be participating in the Mardi Gras parade down in Galveston, Texas, with the Arabia Shriners and many of the other temples. Big fun time out here. Lots of different toys and machines, and I got the camera set up down here on my chest, so you'll get a ride along today. And everybody just having a good time. We're going to be throwing beads and candy and hopefully putting on a good show for everybody. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. This is something I get to do a couple times a year with Motor Corps, and we have a blast. So hopefully y'all get to enjoy the show. Well. All right, here's Red Racer number 1. This is going to be my car, or this is my car for now. I'm actually going to be giving it back to the Motor Corps so more people get to ride it. It's been a great little car. For those of y'all who have been along with the channel for a while, you'll see my mom riding at the end of every episode. In the end card, this is that car. It blows through again. that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the parade. That was Mardi Gras Galveston 2024. We had a blast, and the kids had lots of beads. Y'all, hold your beads up. Show them.
There's so many. We're gonna poop a lot.
We all had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.